This is your Insta360 VR camera. Let's take a look at how it works. Video time-lapse, Insta360 Wi-Fi, Bluetooth remote, system settings, and photo. Go to the menu settings and click photo. Then press the camera shutter button to take a picture. Go to the menu settings and click video. Then press the camera shutter button to start recording video. You can also use the mobile app to switch to other shooting modes. The Insta360 VR camera is compact and lightweight. You can take it everywhere you go. It also has an excellent edge-to-edge sharpness as well as wide dynamic range. Shoot 360-degree videos in spectacular 5.7K resolution. Insta360 VR camera offers amazing video quality with great optics. The Insta360 VR camera also has an excellent balance between exposure and color, even when dealing with a strong light source. It also has 4K in-camera stitching at 30 frames per second and 4K live streaming.
This is the Insta360 One, the camera that goes anywhere and sees everything. You can use it with your phone, on its own, or control it remotely with an app. It delivers 360 video in jaw-dropping 4K resolution and photos at 24 megapixels, so the moments you capture look as clear as they felt. Heading out on the water is easy with the One's waterproof housing. Life moves fast, and the One adapts. Thanks to 6-axis stabilization, the One gives you smooth video without sacrificing quality. You can broadcast 360 video live in 4K, so friends and family can be there with you. Here's the kicker. The One uses all new free capture technology. Free capture lets you call the shots and turn any 360 experience into a perfectly edited, classic-sized video, all on your phone. Smart Track follows a subject and puts it center frame, so that you can be your own camera crew. Attach our purpose-built selfie stick, and it disappears from your shot automatically. Once it's gone, you've got a flying camera. Which got us thinking, what else can you do with a stabilized camera and invisible selfie stick? For the first time ever, epic bullet time shots are easy. With the One, you can capture your story without ever leaving the moment. Relive an experience just as it happened, or go back, look around, and take the time to get the perfect shot. It's all there. You just choose what to share. When your camera captures everything, you only need one.
We all have our own journey and choose our own path, each with a unique story to share. Capture all your adventures and more with COOCAM. COOCAM is the revolutionary 3D stereo and 360-degree camera to unleash the way you shoot. COOCAM is the first camera in the world equipped with a state-of-the-art rotatable 3-lens camera, allowing COOCAM to not only record 360-degree 4K videos, but also 3D stereo videos. COOCAM comes equipped with shake-free technology, so your picture is always smooth. And its unique switchable structure allows you to effortlessly change modes to easily adapt to whatever the day brings. For every exploration, destination, or experience you share, COOCAM will capture all your most memorable moments, even at 120 frames per second, for amazing effects. Shoot freely with COOCAM. No matter how you position the camera, COOCAM will capture it. With 3D stereo lenses and the groundbreaking depth-based technology, you can even refocus and reframe the photos after you've shot them. Our editing app allows you to use incredible technology to not only discover the best shot, but enhance them to the next level. Live stream your 360-degree panoramic or your 180 degrees of 3D space anytime, anywhere. Imagine an easy and simple way to record, edit, and share all your 360-degree and 3D moments, all in one place. COOCAM uses the most cutting-edge imaging technology. We pack incredible professional features into a small camera, giving you a powerful and revolutionary new way of thinking.
The Insta360 One X is a new kind of camera. It shoots every moment from every angle in stunning 5.7K and 18 megapixels. Flow-state stabilization is impossibly smooth. A 6-axis gyro means you don't need any gear. Just mount the One X anywhere, and your footage comes out like butter. Attach our purpose-built selfie stick, and it disappears from your shot automatically. Once it's gone, you've got a flying camera. This is Time Shift. Effortlessly control time and perspective. With stabilized 360, there are no limits. Mark off the best parts of your shot in any direction. The One X connects them with ultra-smooth camera movements. Smart Track lets you follow any subject and keep it steady in center frame. Bullet time puts you in the heart of the action. It's epic and easy. Suit up with the drifter case, then go airborne and capture impossible angles. The One X is a new way to shoot. Time and perspective are both yours to shape. Don't just capture the moment, own it.
Shooting 360 video and virtual reality is now available for everyone. Capture your world in 360 degrees, or 3D, just like human eyes. The Vuzix XR combines a 360-degree camera and a virtual reality 3D camera into one compact, easy-to-use system. Make your own virtual memories from one of the biggest names in 3D and virtual reality, human eyes.